Hey guys, thank you for coming into CFMAF. Hey, let's go over some things that we have done to make this place even more safe for you. Oh, one second. Hey, when you come in, that's one of them. When you come in, you're gonna find these dispensers all over our school. 10 different locations for you to sanitize your hands. Don't forget here at the front, you have to stop and get your forehead checked. Make sure you guys come in with your mask on. Everybody wears a mask right now. Gotta have it when you come in so you're set and ready to train. Also, make sure you bring in your own bag. Inside your training bag, already have your training gear in there. Your mitts, your gloves, your training gear, everything you need. And really important, have your own disinfectant wipes. Because when we're training on the mat, when it's time to put these out, the kick or punch, you're gonna pull them out. You're gonna take your sanitizer. You're gonna sanitize before we even use them, when we're using them, and after, before you put them inside the bag. All right? Let me show you some other things that we've done to help you guys get a little bit more safe. As you walk here through the lobby, wait, another hand sanitizer station. Come on in, guys. We've separated our floors, so we have 4 different floors here in the front, plus a big one in the back that you can still train. So we have 5 stations that allow for us to observe social distancing with more than 6 feet apart. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot. When I walk onto the training floor, gotta clean my hands. Follow me to the next zone, guys. Everything we've done with tremendous thought, thinking about the safety for you and everyone else. Here's another training zone. And, excuse me, when I come into a training zone, have to disinfect my hands again. Let's go to another one. We've even made a place for you guys to train with us where it is online training. We have our computer set up so you guys can train with us on Zoom or any other method that we use, including Facebook Live. And then we'll even post those videos after the class is over onto your private CFMAF page. It's just for our members where you can see the training. So if you weren't here and if you weren't able to do it at home, you can still go ahead and train along with us anytime you wish, 24/7. It's blocked off, but there's one more zone over on that side. Looks the same as this one. There's one more. Welcome to our back room. Yet another big room for people to train. And since we went into another room, have to clean. It's the rule. When you go into another segment here, we're always going to make sure that we stay clean. So guys, make sure you come and give us a try. Give us a call. We can set you up for a free intro class. We now have free intro classes being done from 8 a.m. all the way up to the last one starting at 6:50 at night. So you can come in, feel safe, train by yourself, train with your family, or in a group no larger than 9 with increased safety measures for you, for me, for your family, and for everyone. Hey, when you come in, don't forget your mask. Let's go ahead and remember how CFMAF puts you first in safety, and we'll teach you safety skills while you're here too. We'll see you guys soon.